Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class, and today's topic for GK is the art world. Art is a way to express different emotions. Now you have to read the descriptions and write the names of the paintings and their painters. The first painting, as you can see, this painting is a half length portrait of a woman by an Italian artist. So, the name of the painting is Mona Lisa. And it is painted by Leonardo da Vinci. The next painting is this painting shows the village of Saint Remy under a swirling sky. The name of the painting is Starry Night and it is painted by Vincent van Gogh. The third painting is this painting shows the tragedies of wars and the sufferings. And the name of the painting is Guernica. And it was painted by Pablo Picasso. Famous painting of Picasso. The name is Guernica. The fourth one is this painting is referred to as the Dutch Mona Lisa. And the name of the painting is Girl with a Pearl Earring. And it was painted by Johnner Vermeer. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Achievers from distinguished fields. In this world, some people have made a unique place in the hearts of million people. So now let's match these personalities with their respective fields and also put the correct letters in each circles. Let's read about the first one. He is US industrialist and he is Henry Ford. Henry Ford. Second one is charity worker from India, and we are talking about Mother Teresa. Third personality is German music composer and he is Ludwig Beethoven. A German music composer. Then next comes Chinese politician and his name is Xi Jinping. Next is heir of British throne. He is Prince William. Next is American internet entrepreneur and he is Jimmy Wave. Jimmy Wales. Next is world record maker athlete, and we are talking for Usain Bolt. Next, the most influential Bollywood actor, yes, he is Amitabh Bachchan. We also call him as AB. Next is the spiritual and political leader of Tibetans, and he is Dalai Lama. Next is he is a French scientist. A French scientist, she is Marie Curie. Next person is creator of World Wide Web, and he is Tim Berners-Lee. And the last one is American civil rights campaigner, and he is Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King. That's all in this exercise. Let's move on to the next one, which is a quiz round. The first quiz is the name India is derived from which river? The right answer is River Indus. Second question is the aneroid barometer is, it's a hollow capsule with no ear. Third one is giant panda lives in coniferous forest is the right answer. Which country has most tribal population in the world? The correct answer is India. And how much water vapor in the air comes from the ocean is the right answer is 70%. The biggest producer of oil in the world after Saudi Arabia is Russia. Does the climate of Antarctica allows plants to flourish? The answer is yes. The world's largest Indian flag weighing 250 kilograms unveiled at Sears Center was a part of the vibrant Indian festival in which country? And the right answer is Chicago, USA. Next question is who designed the city of Chandigarh? And the right answer is Le Corbusier. Who is considered the best surgeon of ancient India? And the right answer is Shushruth. 11th question. Who was born in Albania, came to India and set up homes for the poor? And she is Mother Teresa. And the last question is a village by the sea is written by? The right answer is Anita Desai. That's all in this quiz round. Let's move to the rapid fire round. The first question of rapid fire round is who is considered the father of nuclear physics? And the right answer is Ernest Rutherford. He is Ernest Rutherford. Next answer is which tree seeds are said to be good weather forecaster? It's pine cones. From what does the ozone layer protect us from? The ozone layer protects us from sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. When was the word forecast first used to describe weather predictions by Britain? It was in 1858. Which is the warmest ocean? And the answer is Indian Ocean. What is the first thing to show signs of suffering when the sea temperature rises? It is coral. In which country was Leonardo da Vinci born? And the answer is Italy. In which country did Johannes Gutenberg begin printing book on the first printing press? The answer is Germany. Who discovered the principle of electric motor? The answer is Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday discovered the principle of electric motor. When is computer useless? The computer is useless when it is told what to do. The next question is, where were the first traffic lights installed? And the right answer is in Britain. Outside the British House of Parliament. Where and when was Bhimrao Ambedkar born? He was born in Mau, it's in Indore, MP, on 14th April 1891. Which city in India is known as Diamond City of India? And the answer is Panna. Name the place in India where Lord Ram, Lakshman and Sita spent 11 years of their 14 years of exile. And the answer is Chitrakoot. Name the cable-stayed bridge that linked Bandra with Worli in Mumbai, and the name is Sea Link. It's Sea Link. Next question is, in which country does the Hudson River flow? And the answer is USA. Which tree found in Canada is the slowest growing tree in the world? And the answer is white cedar. And the last question is, where is the prehistoric Stonehenge located? And the answer is Salisbury in England. So that's all in this video. Thank you.